Discovered what? Oxygen. Oxygen molecule was discovered by whom? Joseph Priestley. Okay. Then the term means what? Word oxygen. O2. Word oxygen was given by not Priestley. Was given by Lavoisier. Remember it. Lavoisier. SIER. Lavoisier in the year of 1775. Okay. Oxygen molecule was discovered by Joseph Priestley. The term oxygen, actually Joseph Priestley not termed it was oxygen. It is commonly called what? Birth gas. In the presence of one gas is only we are going to surviving. Like that he was going to proving. But later after doing lot of experiments, whom Joseph Lavoisier itself proved that that O2 is commonly called what? Oxygen. What is that? Oxygen. That birth gas. So which is involving during surviving of involving during what? In the surviving of what? Living organisms. What is that? Molecule oxygen. This term was given by whom? Lavoisier. Whereas oxygen was discovered by whom? Joseph Priestley. Now we are going to see what is a Joseph Priestley experiment. What is a Joseph Priestley experiment? Okay. For his experiment, he was taking one closed bell jar. He was going to taking what? One closed bell jar. By whom? Joseph Priestley. Okay. And he introduced in closed bell jar one lighted candle. Which one? Lighted or glowing candle. Next step, he was also introducing in that closed bell jar, along with this lighted candle, he was going to introduce one mouse. What is that? Mouse. Living mouse. Surviving a mouse. Okay. This is what a lighted candle. This is what a mouse. Mouse. And wait for some time. Waiting for some time. Few minutes. What happened here? The mouse itself suffocating. Mouse itself suffocating or what? Facing trouble. Because what happened here? This is closed bell jar. Outside air is not entered into bell jar. Inside air is not leaked out into the atmosphere. So this is atmosphere. What is there here? Air is there. Now we are going to discussing about what? What is the relationship between air and photosynthesis? Air and photosynthesis. For proving that one, Joseph Priestley performed a experiment, that is bell jar experiment. For that he was going to take one closed bell jar. This is what a closed bell jar. Closed bell jar. After taking closed bell jar, he was introduced what? One lighted candle. Then along with the lighted candle, he was also introduced what? One mouse. After some time, what happened? The mice and candle, it may be light off. Okay, the candle remain light off. Okay. Then mouse itself was suffocating with water. Not of course not died, but itself was suffocating with water. Lack of oxygen. It requires water, oxygen. Okay, within the closed bell jar, little bit air is there. Little bit, what is there? Air is there. In that air, what is there? In that air, what is there? Little bit oxygen is there. For that few minutes, it can inhaling that oxygen. But after completion of oxygen in that closed bell jar, then the mouse will be going to suffocating. The mice will be going to troubling. Okay, he found like that. Then at last step, here what is there? Suffocated. What is there? Mouse or mice is there. Then light off or exhausted. Light off or exhausted candle is there. Then he was going to introduce one plant into that bell jar. He was going to introduce what? One plant. For example, any other plant. This is a mint plant. Which one? Mint plant. After some time, and he was going to light. After some time, he was going to observing what? Mice will be survive. Mouse will be survive. Okay, there is no suffocating of mice. Then candle will be lighted. Of course, he was going to repeating this one. Okay, again he was going to taking what? Lighted mouse, and for example, this is a died. For example, again he was going to repeating by introduced what? Mint plant. So like that. Then finally what happened? He will observe. In first case what happened? Mice will be suffocating because in that there is no oxygen. But in second case what happened? Mice will be active, and candle also going to lighted with very bright. Lighted with very bright. Okay, then what happened? What is the relationship between water? Water. This which one? Plant, mice and candle. Plant, mice and candle. Because this is a glass. That is why sun rays are passing. Sun rays are passing. But there is no entry of what? Air. Remember it. Sun rays are passing, but there is no entry of air. Okay? By utilizing sunlight. By utilizing sunlight. Actually within the plant what is there? Chlorophyll is there. Mice is releasing during respiration is what? CO2. Mice is going to releasing CO2 during respiration. Okay, what are the factors for photosynthesis? Sunlight, then water, chlorophyll. Okay, of course chlorophyll is present within the plant. CO2 and water. Water means if you are going to keep water, potted plant. Potted plant. Within that plant what is there? Water is there. Water is available. Then plants itself going to performing what? Photosynthesis. Plants itself going to performing what? Photosynthesis. Then what are the products of photosynthesis? Of course glucose, keep it aside. Along with glucose, what will be releasing? Oxygen. What will be releasing? Oxygen. This oxygen is absorbed by mice. Absorbed by mice and performing what? Respiration. That is why it will be going to surviving. It is going to surviving. And for lightening of candle, what is requiring? Oxygen. Without oxygen, that lighted candle will be exhausted or light off. If oxygen, we will provide oxygen, it will be more bright. Okay, that is why the oxygen which is released by plants during photosynthesis was observed by mice and going to surviving, and that light of candle is going to lighten with more bright. And the released CO2 from where? Mice is observed by what? Plants. So that is why there will be relation is there. Photosynthesis and air. Air itself supplies CO2 from where? Plants. Again plants release O2 into where? Atmosphere. O2 into where? Atmosphere. So this beautiful experiment was performed by Joseph Priestley and proved. Okay, yes, there will be relation is there between water, air and what is that? Photosynthesis. Okay. So this is about water. Little bit information regarding water. First chapter. And today assignment is you have to read a textbook, bioscience textbook from page number 1 to 5. You have to read a textbook, bioscience textbooks from page number 1 to 5 and pick up hard words. Pick up hard words. If you have any doubt, ask me. Okay. Thank you for listening. All the best.